Hi, this is George Rose from Mayer Group. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new asset in the Acumatica fixed asset module. We're going to create a new laptop asset. So first I need to make sure I have an asset type for my new computer, which is here. Computers is my type. It's tangible and depreciable. And I also need a fixed asset class. In this case, it's my computer class. On my General tab, I pick the type, which populates the checkboxes for tangible and depreciable. Put in my asset life of 5 years. We go to the depreciation tab. Now I have one book set up, and it's the posting book to the GL. You can also create alternative tax books and run depreciation in those as well. But for the sake of this example, we're going to make it simple and just go with the one posting book. And you can see I've chosen the straight line depreciation method over 5 years. You can have any number of other methods, but we're going with the straight line for this example. And my GL accounts for this class are going to be computer and office equipment is my fixed asset, accumulated depreciation is indicated here, and my depreciation expense account, along with the gain and loss accounts for this particular asset class. Now, one other GL account we need to specify, and that'll be set up in your fixed asset preferences, is your fixed asset accrual account. In this case, we're using this account 15999, which is our fixed asset clearing account, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. So we need to go ahead and create our fixed asset, and we have applied the computer class and the computer type. You can see I have my useful life of 5 years, and I have a receipt date and a place in service date of 6/15. Your place in service date could, of course, be later depending on when the asset is placed in service. In this case, I made them the same, and that is the same thing as the depreciation start date. And then the acquisition cost, I put in a $1,500 acquisition cost. You can see all the GL accounts copied over from my asset class. And now I can go ahead and save my new asset, remove it from hold. Now, when I save an asset with a value, it creates something called a purchasing plus transaction. It's debiting my specified asset account, and it's crediting the clearing account. This is where the clearing account comes into play. So what we haven't done is created and linked this asset to a financial transaction. So now we're going to go over here into bills and adjustments, and I have a bill here that I've already pretty much finished up. It is going to account 15999 for the $1,500. So we're going to save this, remove it from hold, and release it. Now I can go back over to my fixed asset, and if I come to my reconciliation tab and save my asset, you can see that I have an unreconciled amount of $1,500 of an acquisition cost, which I booked, but I haven't linked it to my financial transaction yet. So you can see here I have my clearing account up here, and it brings in the unmatched transactions down below. I have my $1,500, so I'm going to click that checkbox, hit the process button, and then save this. And you can see now that it's cleared. I have no unreconciled amount, so my transaction successfully linked. If I come over here, you can see it created a reconciliation plus transaction, which debited and credited the clearing account, but it created the link back to my accounts payable transaction. So now, when I created the asset, it debited the asset account and credited the clearing account, and my accounts payable transaction debited the clearing account, making it 0, and credited accounts payable. So I now have a net of a debit to my asset account and a credit to accounts payable, which is correct. Now I can come over here to my depreciation tab, and I can calculate depreciation. Doesn't seem to want to allow me to click. Come on, let's go. There it is, calculate depreciation. And you can see it filled out my depreciation table. Now my asset is ready to go, and at month end I can go ahead and run my depreciation. Hope you found this presentation useful. If you have any further questions or need more information, please contact Mayer ERP, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.